The University of Arizona study looking into how medical marijuana could help treat post-traumatic stress disorder coming to a screeching halt.
And a U of A professor claims she was fired because of her controversial research. KOLD News 13's Christine Pei talked to that professor today. And Christine, what can you tell us?
Well, U of A professor of psychiatry Sue Sisley has been spearheading this research for years. She says she got FDA approval to move forward, and the last step was to secure a location at the U of A to conduct her study. But she got word her contract at the U of A won't be renewed and claims the timing was not coincidence.
To suppress this kind of critical research for our veterans is just appalling.
Sue Sisley is an assistant professor of psychiatry at the U of A School of Medicine campus in Phoenix. Her research proposed to look at the safety and effectiveness of using marijuana to treat PTSD. Sisley says veterans from across Arizona, including Tucson, were eager to be part of the study, but now she's not so sure about its future.
What other scientific investigator is going to embark on marijuana research, seeing what the outcome was for my career?
Sisley says the U of A review board initially approved her research, but a letter from the U of A sent to her last week said her contract will not be renewed, with no explanation as to why. Sisley claims the university has sided with conservative lawmakers in the state legislature who are against medical marijuana research.
This is the whole reason that taxpayers support state universities, is to provide a sanctuary for controversial work. And that was the problem. I was at the forefront of the most controversial research that was happening at the U of A.
We reached out to the U of A about Sisley's termination. An official with the Arizona Health Sciences Center says they do not comment on personnel matters, but provided this response via email, which states in part, the U of A has not received political pressure to terminate any employee. Also, in 2013, the U of A championed state legislation to ensure that universities could perform medical marijuana research on campus. Sisley says of the most concern is not her being fired, but the countless veterans suffering from PTSD who say medical marijuana could help them.
I don't need the money. I need to help these vets. So the number of suicides that we have each day of these precious veterans, we need to help reduce their suffering.
Now, Sisley says she will undergo an appeals process to reconsider her termination. In the studio, Christine Pei, KOLD News 13 Live Local, late breaking.